Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, today is going to be a little bit of an outside broadcast. Going to Kempton Park Racecourse. They've got a motorbike and scooter auto jumble, and there's a few classic motorbikes and scooters there, so we'll have a look around there. Jenny won't be coming. It's quite hot but very windy today, so she'll be hot and also want to do her own thing. So the one thing I do want to try and get is a new horn. If I can't, I'll have to maybe try and amend another one to fit, but so that's the only thing I really want at the time. So before we go, I just want to quickly show you in the shed there. This is to do with next week's video, so come and have a look in the shed, and then we'll be on our way to Kempton Park. Right, the NSU quickly, I've made a little bit of progress. The tank is fixed. I may have to take it off at some stage. This is only slightly on at the moment because I've got cables and wires in. Managed to get the front wheel done. Not as great, it's not bad, but if I could have afforded it, I would have done the whole, just got a new chrome wheels, but it's respectable now. And the back wheel is done over there. Got to put the tyre on, but I won't put that on until I've got the mud guards done at the back there. They are all ready now. I managed to get them all, they're all under there. Just managed to get everything, the stays and everything all in primer. So the next video next week will be me painting those with this sort of whitey creamy colour. You don't want to see me painting all day, so I just do a little bit, and then I also need to do the brakes on the Velo Solix. They've been I've fitted them wrong apparently, according to an expert. So I'm just going to redo those. So I'll do a little bit of spray painting for the NSU quickly, and then I'll put the ramp, move the ramp over, and we'll work on the Velo Solix. So I'm off to Kempton Park now. I'll see you there. Well, here we are, Kempton Park Racecourse. But we're not here for the racing. We're here for the classic motorbike and scooter show with auto jumble. So, okay, let's go inside and have a look. Well, this is not part of the show, this is just the motorbike parking, but come and have a look at some of these. Hundreds of bikes. Look at that, lovely BSA. No idea what model it is, but that is an old classic, isn't it? Maybe we should get some lights for the Royal Alloy like that. Well, there we go, look at this lovely lineup of Vespas and Lambrettas. There we go, very similar to the Royal Alloy, isn't it?
Oh, nice, yeah. I saw it earlier.
What a beautiful bike. Okay, well, look at that. There we go, one auto jumble. Surely I can find a horn in this lot somewhere. Now here we are. This is my cup of tea. NSU quickly. Same one, I think. S23, I believe. Well, I've just managed to get some of these. £6 for these nitrile gloves, orange ones. They don't tear, so that's useful. And if we come around here, got loads and loads of screws and washers and everything, which only £1 a bag. So I'll look out for. I need some spring washers, so we'll have a look out for some of them.
I'm going to say, the white men and the white coats will come on and take them away.
There we go. Want to become a policeman for the day. Loads of helmets there. And it looks like sort of navy hats. Caps, whatever. So that's nice. BSA Sunbeam 250cc 4-speed. £400. I don't think the wife would like me bringing that back though. Well, it's pretty much everything here for motorbikes, but can I get a horn yet? No, nothing at the moment. Well, this is a nice little one, isn't it? This is a Florida Florid, 1965. It's only, well, 1,350 quid. Registered historic with a V5. Well, unfortunately no horn, but what we'll do in a minute, we're going to go inside into the main grandstand area, which is a collection of bikes in there and hopefully some scooters. So we'll go inside. Well, inside now, some nice old classics. Oh, there we are. This is my cup of tea. Some lovely Italian ones here. Mote Rumi 125, 1955. Really are lovely little classics, aren't they? What's this one here? Another Rumi. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? It's a lovely old bike. This is a Suzuki ACC50. Apparently it's restored from a wreck 20 years ago. And just look at that lovely condition now. Absolutely fantastic. But this is a bit different, isn't it? This is a Ducati, I pronounce it, Sucarola. Now, it's Italian, obviously named, but it's in the British motor section. Apparently it's made by Rally. So, one of the early sort of cycle motors.
These all yours? They all yours?
Another little Italian bike, a Motom, and the model is a 12E. I can't see what year it is at the moment. 60s, I suppose. But yeah, there we go. Absolutely beautiful. There's another one. That'll do me. I've got probably room for that. A Grasilia. Cheeky boy, it's called. One of the early fold-up mopeds. Absolutely lovely. They were made between 68 and 79. A lovely colour as well. My favourite colour. Okay, moved upstairs now, which seems to be the scooter section. So this is all the Vespers. Well, this is the end part of the video, which I shot earlier on, but for some reason it didn't come out. So I'm now reshooting the goodbye bit. I didn't want to go without saying goodbye to Jenny. But anyway, so we'll just quickly go through what we got. In the end, I finally got some carburetor cleaner. That was £6. I just looked on eBay, it's about £17, including delivery. Some clear coat, same company. As you saw in the video, I did buy those orange Super Grip nitrile gloves, very Ed China. Only a few other little bits, as I couldn't get the horn, but never mind. But just some different screws, and these are 5mm bolts, which I should be able to use on the mudguard stays on the NSU quickly. So that was pretty much it, and a little fuel filter for it. So I've just edited it. Obviously I've lost this part of the film I done earlier, so so at least I can apologise for the last part of the film. They were playing like 1960s pop music, so I thought, well, I better just mute that because of the YouTube copyright issues. So that's why I had to mute it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the day down at Kempton Park. It was a good day, and got back only there a couple of hours. But so next week we'll be back to the NSU quickly. A little bit of work on Fred the Velo Solix, and so until next time, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.